On August 6, 1945, an ordinary morning in Hiroshima was shattered as a blinding flash lit up the sky, marking a day that would change history forever. As the bomb detonated, an unimaginable force unleashed destruction, incinerating buildings and altering countless lives in an instant. In the aftermath, the streets of Hiroshima became a haunting landscape of despair, where families searched for lost loved ones amid the ruins. In the days that followed, makeshift hospitals became overwhelmed as countless individuals sought treatment for their injuries, while a somber remembrance began to take root among the survivors. Years later, the Hiroshima Peace Memorial emerged as a powerful reminder of the consequences of war, standing as a beacon of hope and a call for lasting peace. Today, Hiroshima serves as a symbol not only of destruction, but also of resilience as generations gather to honor the past and advocate for a world without nuclear weapons. All over the globe, individuals unite to promote peace using art and dialogue to share the lessons learned from Hiroshima's tragic history.